Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
All-purpose flour can replace tapioca flour in a 1-to-1 ratio in most recipes, though the texture may differ depending on what you're using it for. Tapioca flour creates a bright, glossy finish when used as a thickener for gravies, soups, and sauces.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Tapioca starch is a gluten-free substitute for wheat flour, making it an ideal alternative for people with celiac disease. Tapioca is also very easy to digest, so it's a good choice for people with irritable bowel syndrome and other digestive issues.
Make your mark, take our lead.
This neutral flavored ingredient comes from the cassava root. It's less potent than cornstarch, so you'll need about 2 tablespoons tapioca for every 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Unlike cornstarch, which begins to break down when frozen, tapioca stays strong.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.